Alright, today we are creating this diesel kinda flash effect. It's something that's used in Position's music video. I know that this video is like 5 years old, but I wasn't creating tutorials back then, so I'm doing it now, okay? Yeah, I'm just a really big fan of this type of fast flash effects. They're super fun to add in a video and they're actually so easy to do. It will take you like 1 minute to create this effect. Let's begin. First things first, I'll take a couple of screenshots from the video. I really suggest you find a scene where the person is moving, I guess, like this one. So just take a few screenshots after like 5 to 10 frames of the same scene. That's the key. Okay, now I'll add these images right here in between two clips. I'll make each image 2 frames long. I wouldn't suggest you go more than 3 frames. It won't have the same outcome. Also, in this music video, there are flashes, so some images are brighter than the others. If you want to achieve the same look, just add exposure or brightness and contrast to every other image and you'll get the same look basically. So I have 6 images in here and I place them so we start with brighter one, then the one without flash, and so on. And honestly, it already looks really good as it is. But let's add a bit more to it, so you didn't just click on this video to watch me take screenshots and call it a day, okay? Let's highlight all of the images and duplicate them by holding Alt and drag it up. Then click on the first one and change the blend mode to screen, and then you can scale it up. Just a bit, not too much, don't go too crazy. Okay, I'll go for something like 1.5. Now you want to copy the motion and opacity and paste them on the rest of the images that are on top, and then you can change the scale on every other clip. So if the first one was 1.5, then the second one can be 1.10, then leave the next one to 1.5, and so on. That way we added that dissolve effect, which was in the original video. And the last thing that I'm going to add is my new editing pack, Flash Cut. You won't be able to use it right away because it's not out yet, but it will be on May 28th. You can actually join the waitlist and get a 20% discount code in your inbox. You'll get to use it when the pack is live on the website. I'll put the link in the description for you. So I'm going to choose one effect from the Essential Graphics tab. Let's go with something like number 6. So all I have to do is drag the template in the timeline, then click on it and you'll see folders for each photo. So everything is nice and organized for you already. When you click on the photo 1, you'll see the photo placeholder. So all you have to do is drag the image in there, and just like that, all the changes are made. And of course, you're going to simply drag and drop your images in each photo section. That will take you less than a minute and you end up with such a cool effect. I want to show you another one. Let's see, maybe number 8. And again, just replace the images. I love this one so much. Okay, I need to show you one more because I can't, I'm so excited. I'm sorry. Let's use number 10 maybe. It's just one image, so let me replace that in a second. Okay, and when we play it, it looks like this. I mean, how good is that? I can't wait until this pack is yours. If this is something that matches your editing style, definitely check it out. The link's in the description to join the waitlist and get a 20% discount code right away in your inbox. Anyways, that's it from me today. I hope you learned something new. If you did, give this video a like. It really helps me as a creator, and subscribe for more videos like this one. And I'll see you in the next one.